are doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store and check us out at DonkeyStomper.com. That's DonkeyStomper.com. Big shout out to all the YouTube and Patreon channel members. Big shout out to our customers. Appreciate the business and support here at Donkey Stomper Products. Alright, we got a Palomar 500. I don't know how much of it y'all can see or not, but it's been gutted. Gentleman sent it to me, asked me to fix it, said it was losing power. Well, I had blowed electrolytics, and I put a new power cable on it, hot and ground, and retuned the input tune, and it's pretty good shape now. So, do a real quick test review for him, let him see what it's doing. Let me hook the hot wire up. We're going to start out looking at straight through SWR. Hello, worldwide. Worldwide, wide. Audio 1, 2, 3. We're going to turn him on. Got to turn on the power supply. We're on high power. You can look over into the input SWR, hardly any. Worldwide, wide. Let me turn the voltage up. Alright, back on 14.8 where we usually run. Hello, worldwide, worldwide. As you can see, some new power wire and electrolytics fixed it right up, man. 1, 2, 3. It does have the 455 Motorola's in it. They're not as strong as 1446s, but they're good. So I didn't really see no sense in changing them. Let's go on medium. Hello, I'm sorry, it was on high. Let's go to medium. Hello, there's medium. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Alright, I've got it backwards. Medium's down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 509. High's up. 1, 2, 3, 583. Low's all the way to the top. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's a good hot box. It's doing what it's supposed to. Definitely doing what it's supposed to. Go to the outdoor dummy load. We'll just leave it on high power. Look over here to outdoor dummy. And I had to look, make sure I was on high. This is an older one, so it does have 455s in it, which, like I said, 1446 is a little bit hotter. Hello, wide. Outdoor dummy, outdoor colossal. I will take that all day long. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But there she is, bud. She's all up and ready to go for you, little 500 there. We'll put that in front of the camera, see if y'all can see it. Put you some wire in there and put you an adapter on the back. Got you all fixed up. Palomar 500. Repair review. Alrighty guys, I appreciate you watching. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. Just hit that subscribe button. Don't cost you time, no obligation, it helps us out. I would like to invite you to join our YouTube channel member, our Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store, guys. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com. That's DonkeyStomper.com. Y'all take care. Your Fred and 10, 01 Beavis. Donkey Stomper.